Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos.
Christmas is coming, and if you're still paying full price for online shopping, we're doing it wrong. What if we told you there's an AI-powered shopping assistant that quietly finds coupons, cashback, and even cheaper prices for us, while we shop like normal? It's called Coupert, and honestly, smarter shoppers use Coupert. Today's video is fully dedicated to Coupert. We're going to show you what it is, how it works, and how we can use it this Black Friday to save more on every single order. First, what is Coupert? Coupert is a free browser extension and app that works like an AI-powered super shopping assistant. Instead of opening 10 tabs to find coupons or manually searching for promo codes, Coupert does three big things for us. It automatically tests coupons at checkouts, it gives cashback rewards at tens of thousands of stores, and shows price comparisons so we don't overpay. It supports Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, and Safari on desktop and Safari on mobile as well. So now, let's start with how to get it. We go to the official Coupert website. You'll find the link in the description, and this is the homepage you'll see. From here, we just click to install the extension for our browser, and then quickly register an account. That's it. 2 minutes of setup, and we are ready to start saving. Now let's see Coupert in action with the automatic coupon testing. We're on Amazon.com right now. We've added our items to the cart, and we are on the checkout page. You'll notice the Coupert extension icon lights up, and we get a price comparison. Let's say we're on Amazon checking out a product. With Coupert installed, as we browse, it can show us price information from other platforms and retailers. So if there's a better price on another site, we'll see it right there. What makes this so powerful is that we can combine all three. Use price comparisons to find the cheapest store, let Coupert test coupons at checkout, and still activate cashback on top of all of that. That's how we stack on savings. Best price, best coupon, and cashback all together. Now, when we talk about extensions that sit in our browser, trust is really important. One thing that sets Coupert apart is how transparent it is. Unlike some other tools like Honey, Coupert does not steal tracking links just to make money from other purchases behind the scenes. Coupert's earnings come from fair partnerships with merchants, and a portion of that is shared back with us as cashback. Everything is clear and upfront. On top of that, Coupert has a Trustpilot rating of 4.8 out of 5, and there are over 9 million users already using it, with 6 million weekly active users on desktop and 3 million on mobile, across 200,000 plus merchants globally. So we're joining a community of smart shoppers who are already saving every day. This is honestly one of the easiest upgrades we can make to our online shopping. We're already going to shop, we're already going to save money, spend money. With Coupert, we're just letting an AI-powered super shopping assistant hunt for automatic coupons, give us cashback from tens of thousands of stores, and also show us better prices. Well, why should we pay full price when we don't have to? Check the link in the description, install Coupert, and start saving on your very next order. Grab Coupert and start saving on every online order. Easy. Stop overpaying online. Coupert makes saving simple. Join millions of smart shoppers. Install Coupert today. Because at the end of the day, smarter shoppers use Coupert.
So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.